Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
So hello everyone, today I'm going to present the data result we have due in the last week ago. So here I'm going to talk about programming language used in junior high school. Yes, so as we can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 programming language. But actually some of this is not programming language yet. Yeah, because we just want to put the data. So as we can see here, we have 8 data that we have do research last week. So here, based on data, Python is the most popular programming language among 8 and 9 grade. So as I know, Python used because they are using for robotic. So also Python is using for backend or AI. But in here, for junior high school, they're using for robotic. And then SMP then Flutter is also used often. C++ and Dart are used a bit. While JavaScript, Scratch, HTML, and Tagable are less popular. Why, guys? So as I know in junior high school, in 1 year ago, my previous junior high school, that was IDN, we are not learning about the HTML, Tagable, and JS. So at the time we just learn about what the name, bro? Yeah, it's only drag and drop a program. We're using Scratch for game, game developer. So we're using Scratch. Scratch is just a platform that with a simple logic, only drag and drop. Yeah, when green flag clicked, if else, it's only like that, like simple. If you want to learn, come to me, pay 500. Yeah, you can. You will got full knowledge about Scratch and JS. So I'm going to talk about the JS. JS is the easiest programming language that I ever learned. I don't know why, but when I use JavaScript, easy to understanding, and also I apply the JavaScript language for my front end and back end. But for database, I'm using MySQL because easy and a lot of template for using SQL. And JavaScript usually are developed for build some website and robotic also can. But I ever see professional hacker. Yeah, they are using JS for hacking. I don't know, that's out of the box, bro. That's hard. And then for the next, C++, bro, I never touched C++, so I don't know. I don't have any comment. But as I know, C++ is a program for making a game in Unity or what? Unity and Godot, Unity, and what else? Unity. Pokoknya there is 3 software that is 3 platform that using C++ for using C++. So yeah, C++ is developed to build games can, and then for data analysis also can. And Flutter actually this is not this is not programming language, but this is software. And Dart is programming language. Dart is programming language of the Flutter. Yeah, feel like this, but maybe we want to got a lot of data, so we put we put different. Flutter is software, but Flutter they are used in 9th grade. They are learn about Flutter to build some application. And in my when I was 9th grade, I learned about app developer, but not using Flutter or Dart. We are using Kotlin and using what the name of the software, bro? Android Studio. So we'll learn about Android Studio, and the programming language is Kotlin. Kotlin is the same or duplicate of Java, Java language, not JavaScript but Java language. So and then for the next is Scratch. Scratch is not programming language also, but it's for basic of building logic. Nah, so there you will learn about Scratch. You will learn about logic, the logic of programmer. And there is some code that always, how to say ya? The code that always show in professional programming language like JS, HTML, Thunkable, Python, yeah, like that. But this one is only logic. You only just drag and drop. Nah, at HTML, yeah, we have learned about it. HTML is not programming, but just for structure for building some website. And then Thunkable is used for a program robotic also. And inside the Thunkable, they are using Python, as I know, yeah, Python. And then we going to talk about Python, the most used programming language in Pidai school. I never learned about it, but if I see the code of Python, I got the logic because it's almost same as the logic. Because all of programming language, the logic is actually same, but it's only different, maybe how to use and yeah, other else. Python, yeah, Python. And then for Dart is programming language of Flutter. Nah, so if you know what is Flutter, Flutter is Dart. Yeah, Dart is Flutter. So both of that is combined become one. So if we use Flutter, of course we use Dart. Nah, if you want to program some application, of course we're using a Dart, like that. Oh, 7, okay. So 3 minutes. So we do a little bit sharing about JavaScript. So when I was 9th grade, in the last 9th grade, when I was graduate from 9 to 10, and we got holiday almost 2 months. So there I learned every day about JS until when I was come to this place, I was shocked that our program language is using PHP. Nah, that was so different, and as I know, PHP. Sorry. Yeah, PHP is using Laravel. What's Laravel? Huh? Yeah, framework. Nah, so because the framework is Laravel and Laravel using PHP, I don't know about the PHP and Laravel. So I start from zero for learning about PHP and Laravel. So for now, yeah, maybe I got 50-50 lah for my knowledge. But when I was trying to use in JS again, I a little bit forget, and the project that given to us is a little high, so and little confused for my basic JS. But I can build almost done, but I got error in SQL database, so I continue to my Laravel. That's the story of my JS and a little bit again. So yes, that's all that I can share. Fun fact: this is not my team presentation, but because I like the theme, I like the topic, so I choose this for my presentation chart. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wah,